everyone. I welcome you all to the closing ceremony of Campino Bliss. Now let's begin this auspicious event with the name of Almighty God and lamp lighting.
शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमा आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहाम्.
Now I would like to invite the person who has given her days and night for this event. She is the one who has supported the team with her valuable insights, expertise and patience. I humbly request Khushbu Bhajanka, Head Coordinator, NSS Unit, GSLGC, to address the gathering.
Good evening all of you present here, respected governing body members, Rector sir, Principal sir, teachers, sailors and all my dear Lohiyans. It's always special to stand in the podium of a glorious institution and represent a vibrant group of energized youth, the NSS clan. I, Khushbu Bhajanka, the Head Coordinator of NSS Unit, welcome all the dignitaries, sailors and fellow Lohiyans to the closing ceremony of a wonderful journey, Campino Bliss. The 3 days camp has given us hope, re-energized our thoughts and provided us memories which we missed a lot in these testing times. I would like to take this occasion to pay homage to all the people who have lost their life in this pandemic and also salute all the doctors and medical fraternity for working 24/7 for saving every life possible. We witnessed participation of 200 youths in this camp and 90 sailed through in this 3-day journey via a selection mechanism. Our aim was precise and clear. We must stick to our motto of not me but you. The journey thus comprised of introspection through Energize and also fun, floric and adventure through Mine Hunters, Karwa Hangout and Campino Island. The act of doing something for the people and society touched lives around us and made it extraordinary. We have sailed through this journey beautifully and I welcome all of you once again to witness the closing gala ceremony to be held in a true virtual manner. So let's begin this final journey. Thank you so much.
Proceeding further, we would like to extend our virtual felicitation to all our dignitaries present here. It's time to hear from our distinguished guests present here. First of all, we have a message from our governing bodies, followed by our principal sir and the other faculty members.
honorable members of governing body and all my dear students. Today we have successfully completed 4 days camp under the theme Campino Bliss. I congratulate the team NSS for organizing such an amazing camp virtually. I hope we will be able to organize such camps in future also. Keep yourself placed in the same manner like you have now as true Lohnians. Good luck and thank you.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate the whole NSS team for organizing such an enthusiastic extravaganza of 3 days virtual camp, even in such a pandemic situation. It gives immense pleasure to see that nothing can cut down the spirit of a Lohian as it goes. Once a Lohian, always a Lohian. Once again, heartiest congratulations to the whole team for organizing this camp.
Let's recollect all the beautiful memories created together and reminisce the moment. So sailors, are you all ready to tour the journey of Campino Bliss?
कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। तूफान भी सोचे जिद तेरी कैसी, ऐसा जुनू है किसी में कहा। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधियां। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े आंधियां। मंजर है ये नया, मंजर नया, मंजर है ये नया।
मस्त ऑन हो गया देवा, मस्त ऑन हो गया। अरे कैंपिनो वाले नमक मामा है, पर आपके हाथ में फिगर है।
अरे ये, अरे नहीं नहीं, ये तो आपको ऐसे ही।
इधर नक्को देखो रे बाबा, इधर नक्को देखो, इधर नक्को देखो रे, इधर नक्को देखो।
ए बाबू भैया, कुछ खाने को बनाओ ना, भूख लगी है बाबू भैया।
नहीं है बाबा रे।
ज़रूरत झूमे हम संजो में नाचो ना।
तपते थे रस्ते लोहे से बसते, बसतों में तू भर चला आसमां। आएंगी सदियां, जाएंगी सदियां, रह जाएंगे फिर भी तेरे निशान। बहता चला तू, मेहनत ज्यादा करना पड़ेगा।
जिए साथ ही जिएंगे, तू नाराज भी हो तो तेरा साथ ही रहेंगे।
Can we see hands waving in the air?
Come on, guys!
We all have planned special birthday celebration for everyone because you all have missed your birthday parties because of the pandemic, right? So it's a grand gala celebration at Campino Island. Everyone is joined. Kyuki, it's your birthday.
जब तक फटते नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे
कैसी लगी आगे स्वाद कैसा लग रहा है
बहुत दिन से खाली बैठे हुए समझ में नहीं आ रहा what we can do and there is a buzz around that something has been done. Short of ideas if you can all come up with what can be done.
Like in summer, it's very interesting.
Yeah, summer camps are like going rounds for schools. Definitely they are going around. So yeah, looks a very good idea.
Yes, sir, sounds fun.
So yeah, we are going ahead with that. But entries वगैरह कैसे लिया जाए? Should we give them something to call या कोई फॉर्म दें या कैसे?
थीम भी डिसाइड कर सकते हैं। इतने सारे सर्वेस चल रहे हैं सर गूगल फॉर्म से, तो हम लोग उससे भी कुछ नया इंटरेस्टिंग कर सकते हैं।
Participants, so we need to work out some mechanism where we can allocate
some small activities and stuff to put up in the group accordingly.
Campino Island. We can play games. We can.
जंप कर सकते हो, बोलना कुछ नहीं, खाली सुनना, म्यूट करके खाली सुन सकते हो, जस्ट टू मूव फ्रॉम वन।
मंजर है ये नया कि उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी यादियां, मंजर है ये नया, मंजर नया।
So that's it for today then.
इतनी खुशी मुझे आज तक नहीं मिली। Cheers for अमृतसर।
Video proves it all. The last 3 days were just amazing. So, moving on, we have with us the most exciting and hyperactive sailors who were on board with us through the journey. It's time to hear from them the experiences that they have shared.
Hey Team Campino Blaze, thank you so much for conducting such an amazing camp. Like these 3 days were beyond imagination. All those activities you conducted were just full of fun and enjoyment, especially in our day sessions. It was like a self-introspection. I learned many new things about myself. Last but not the least, I'm really gonna miss these 3 days, guys. Thank you so much.
Honestly speaking, words are less to describe how beautiful the whole camp was. The guys conducted it so well. It felt so good to see everybody's willingness to complete tasks beyond their comfort zones, and it also reminded me of my days at BBS. All the events were just fabulous. I salute to the NSS team for not letting me get bored for 1 second. I really like the concept of the storyline that you guys created, and each and every task was a part of the story which finally helped us to reach the island. Overall, I would sum up by saying that the event was a great success, and thank you for letting me be a part of this event. I wish you all the success.
Campino Bliss. Wow, what an amazing fun-filled journey. From the selection process out of 200 sailors to being the leader of a team. From the e-energize sessions to the final session. What an amazing learning experience it had been. I had not even for once felt that it was a virtual journey and not a real one. So many fun-filled games, acting, dance, music, new friends and whatnot. So grateful to the Team Campino Bliss for this amazing experience. Thank you, Team Campino Bliss.
कोविड के इस समय में जब ज़िंदगी बहुत बोर लग रही थी, तब टीम कैंपिनो ब्लिस ने नई उम्मीद जगाई। सबको नई दिशा दिखाकर कुछ ही पल में बहुत सारी खुशी और एक्साइटमेंट ले आई। ये 3 दिन के कैंप ने हमें कितना कुछ सिखा दिया। कभी एक पासवर्ड की तलाश में लगा दिया तो कभी ना जाने क्या क्या बना दिया। और क्या ही कहने इस कैंप के हमें फ्री में मूवी भी दिखा दिया। और आइलैंड की खोज में कभी शेर को बुला दिया तो कभी नदी में फंसा दिया। इतना कम वक्त में इन्होंने कितना मज़ा करवा दिया और साथ ही दोस्ती का सही मतलब और दूसरों की मदद करने के लिए प्रेरित भी किया। ऑनलाइन भी इतना कुछ हो सकता है ये सोचा नहीं था। और आज टीम कैंपिनो ब्लिस की मेहनत ने सबको गलत प्रूव करा दिया। इस कैंप के जरिए एक नई दुनिया से मिला दिया। So kudos to Team Campino Bliss and thank you so much for organizing such a fun event.
Next comes the most awaited moment of the day. We have a series of awards and accolades for all our sailors and various other individuals who must be recognized on this big day. Yes, they are the sailors of Campino Bliss. Hold on your breath until we reveal the stars and champions of the virtual camp. Of such individuals who with their noble deeds kept the spirit of humanity high. They are the real heroes of today's evening, the noble human. Put our hands together for the men behind the idea and the backbone of the NSS unit. The men who always acted as the supporting pillar of our initiatives and innovation. the person who has always encouraged to do something good for the society. Now, I welcome Amit Agarwal Sir, Program Officer, NSS Unit.
Respected governing body members, Rector Sir, Principal Sir, fellow teachers, dear students and sailors. Campino Bliss. When we talk about organizing something virtually in this testing times, be it classes, be it a camp, be it any other activity, the main problem which comes up is how to indulge students in the online manner and they don't get bored. This we face every day as teachers, this situation we face every day as human beings. But hats off to the team, hats off to the Lohian spirit, hats off to such an extraordinary talent we are blessed with. Our students created something so unique, something so great, putting up more than 100% of their passion, hard work, sincerity and brilliant ideas that those who were there in this journey with us have enjoyed thoroughly all these 3 days. When we started with the idea of Campino Bliss, we seen that okay, a few people will be joining and we'll be just completing the event in 3 days time without much of chaos or without much of tension. But when we launched the poster and got registrations up to 200, we were thrilled, we were surprised, and we started working more hard. And that's what it was all about, pure hard work and dedication of 25 individuals of Lohia College who stood up in this testing time to create happiness in your faces. Not just this, it was not about just activities, just fun frolic, just we say adventure. The main idea behind the camp was to create a sense of happiness, not just in yourself, but also in the society we are living with. And the noble deed, which was the last task in day 3, was an effort in that direction to inspire you to do something for others. Be selfless. The joy of giving, experience that. And when we started getting messages of students who experienced the joy of giving, we were thrilled and we had the best payback which anyone can have after organizing an event. The kinds of messages we are getting from the last 24 hours from students who were part of the camp have just made us emotional, have just made us and re-energize us to do something more, do something great the next time. We would never forget the memories we have created virtually in the last 1 week through the preparation of the camp and also while conducting the camp. And thank you all the sailors for being so supportive and cooperative as if we were dealing with someone from the family. You all have been great sailors, you have been great students and you have been great individuals. Continue this journey of your life with happiness, spread happiness, be blissful. Signing off from Team Campino Bliss from GS Lohia Girls College, Amit Agarwal. Thank you so much.
Now it's time for the most prestigious award of this journey. The most amazing sailor who stood to be hyperactive throughout the sailing journey. The most deserving sailor to be crowned the title of Miss Campino. I know sailors, your hearts are beating very fast. So, the title of Miss Campino goes to 25 individuals who proved it all right that teamwork can make everything possible. And yes, they paved the tone right. The organizing team of Campino Bliss, they are our marshals. to the end of today's closing ceremony and the 3-day virtual camp, Campino Bliss. Now, I would like to invite Paridi Jindal to present the vote of thanks to all the dignitaries, sailors, and the fellow Lohians.
Good evening, everyone. I deem it a great honor to propose vote of thanks to every individual who contributed in making this virtual camp a success. First and foremost, I would like to thank all the members of the governing body to grace this occasion and for their valuable contribution. We are grateful enough to our Rector Sir, Dhiren Chandra Dwara, for his words of encouragement. His able guidance has always encouraged us. I thank our Principal Sir for his unstinted support for this virtual camp. My heartfelt thanks to all the faculty members for their valuable contribution, guidance, and support in all the efforts. And I owe special gratitude to the NSS Program Officer Amit Agarwal Sir for his continued support and guidance to make this event a great success and memorable one. Thank you.